Alright guys, today's video is going to be about scratches in your vinyl plastic. Now I'm a guy that uses the back of his vehicle for work, and my equipment gets pulled in and out of here, and you can see that there's quite a bit of scratching going on here. And let me just turn this light off real quick. Some natural light there, and there we go. Okay, so it shows up on camera better without the light, but we can see all these are scratches now real quick. Let's just take some interior extract. So let's just take some interior. On is this up here. Uses this Ryobi heat pen. I'm going to turn it on high. What I'm going to do is just apply some heat gradually to this area. I like to use a sweeping lotion. I want to kind of look and see the progress that we're making and how much is melting, and move accordingly. This kind of thing you want to do slowly. Because you can overdo it. So it's like cooking bacon, guys. Take it out of the fryer first before it's done. Okay, so right there you can see it started to change, so I'm going to back off just a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see this. Good progress there. I don't want to make this video too long, and I think that demonstrates what is possible here. And I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off. So guys, here too, this is a cool little Ryobi flashlight that you can use to line up with your tripod, and my tripod is metal, so it magnetizes with the handle. And this is like a little magnifying glass here, and so we can get in close and see some of the spots that I was doing well just now, and see what exactly is going on. So on the end there, it's still drying out that where I ended, but up here you can see most of the damage is done. Now there's a little bit deeper spot right up there, but I'm going to take care of that here in a little while. It's going to take a while. I don't want to waste everybody's time here, but there you go, guys. There you go. So that's how you do it. There's the detailer's secrets.